Missiles are fired, explosions are heard. Late night, early morning, windows are shaking, hearts are breaking. Late night, early morning, buildings in flames, war is not a game. Late night, early morning, children crying, fear in our chests rising. Sirens in the distance calling, echo through the sky tonight. Smoke above the city falling, searching for a little light. We were just dreaming yesterday, now we're running through the night, trying just to find a way to make it out alive. Late night, early morning, the sky is burning red. We're holding on to hope tonight with every step we tread. Late night, early morning, hear the thunder roar. We're still standing in the dark, but we're stronger than this war. Late night, early morning, hold on, keep breathing. Late night, early morning, we rise, we're healing. Late night, early morning, through fire, through warning. Late night, early morning. Broken streets and shadows, moving lights, fading in the haze. Every soul is searching for brighter days, but somewhere in the silence, beyond the fear and pain, hope is still a whisper, calling out our name. Late night, early morning, the sky is burning red, but hope is in the voices of every tear we shed. Late night, early morning, hear the thunder roar. We're still standing in the dark, but we're stronger than this war.